Daniel 2:17 begins with Edayan Daniel Levite Azal, and that brings us up to the Atnach. We just want to comment for a moment that after Edayan, that adverb, we have a subject, Daniel, and we have a verb. And the subject-verb word order seems to be the more common one for Edayan clauses that approximate the biblical Hebrew Vayikol kind of clause, temporal or logical sequence in the past. And what we have here as a meaning is then Daniel went to his house. And we just want to point out that this Aleph Zayin Lamed verb is occupying a similar semantic space as Hey Lamed Kaf as a verbal root. Aleph Zayin Lamed, this verbal root, shows up in Pa'al perfect and imperative for this going idea, and all of the rest of the uses of this verb idea use Hey Lamed Kaf, which is held in common with biblical Hebrew. There are several verbs in biblical Aramaic that are like this. There's a cognate that we're familiar with from Hebrew studies, and then there's a, for our purposes, Aramaic specific other verbal root. So let's continue reading. Now we have Hananiah and Mishael and Azariah, his companions, which is at the front with a conjunction and a lamed, and it's his companions plural because of that suffix that we've seen several times. So to figure out the function of the lamed in there, we need to keep reading. The matter he caused to know. So the he here would still retain Daniel as the subject. So from the beginning we have, then Daniel went to his house, and he caused Hananiah, Mishael, and Azariah, his companions, to know the matter, the word, the thing.